Welcome to Practical Law. I'm your host, family law attorney Henry Gornbein. Many people go through a divorce, and it's one of the most traumatic times in one's life. Today on Practical Law, we are going to present a basic primer discussing the key issues and what to expect as you go step by step through a divorce. I would like to welcome my partner, Alisa Peskin-Shepherd, as we discuss these important issues. Alisa, welcome to Practical Law.
Thank you, Henry.
First of all, what are some of the ways to handle a marital home?
Well, like you said, today is different than it was 3 years ago. So we find that many people don't want to sell their homes now. So usually one party will stay in the house and have to buy out the other party's interest in that house. The party who's getting bought out might feel, well, the market is so bad right now. You know, I know I have more equity in this house, but that's the value right now. But when you're getting divorced, you take a picture of those assets at this time, and that's the situation. So some parties will get bought out, or they might say, you can stay in the house while the children are young, and when they graduate from high school, then we'll sell the house, and then we'll split the equity that's in that house. So again, there's no black and white rule. It's all negotiable to suit the party's needs.
Savings, investments, normally divided, is that correct?
Usually we start like a business to divide things 50-50, equally between the parties, what the marital assets are. So you have to determine what are those marital assets, you know, and what's going to be divided 50-50. Other issues might come into play that some asset might not be considered to be a marital asset. Should we take it out of that pot? Or if there's fault involved, somebody might argue that it shouldn't be an equal split. And what we really aim for is an equitable division of those assets.
And equitable does not necessarily mean equal, though in most cases you said it's equal. In extreme fault cases, the courts may go, instead of 50-50, it could be probably an outer limit is 60-40, sometimes 55-45, but it really depends on the facts of each case, and I think that's important for us to bear in mind, especially as we're counseling our clients.
Right.